time for another edition of Ask Jen, where I answer all of your hard-hitting questions. Let's go. Biggest learning moment in my career would be when I heard Sir Chamont say, "Don't be jealous of your peers, be inspired by them." It stuck with me throughout all the years. One of the craziest requests from a client was she wanted me to save her hair clippings from her haircut so that she could make a bird's nest. Coffee or tea? Tea, duh. I love the matcha from Neighborhood. So good. Can I get one iced matcha and a spicy? Two fashion trends I wish I never tried. I had blue streaks in my bangs and my hair was short and shaggy, and definitely bell bottoms. Not good on me. Definitely peanut butter and jelly sandwich from Jones on 3rd. The song that gets me on the dance floor every single time would be by Whitney Houston. One show everybody needs to binge watch is Summer Heights High, because I just like die for Crystal Lee. Okay, the hairstyle I wore to my Mormon high school prom was, my hair was short and I like had it like a side swept, I don't even know what it was. It was just like a side swept bob. I have a picture there, the picture's there, maybe it's there, shit. So there's actually 2 places that I haven't been to that I really want to go to this year. So Mike, if you're watching, make it happen. I want to go to see the Northern Lights and Iceland, and I also want to go to Istanbul. Mike Rosenthal makes 2 different types of bread. One is ciabatta. I don't know the name of the other one, but you can go to my YouTube channel. We did a whole tutorial. You can watch him work his magic. My favorite 80s song right now would be Billy Ocean, Caribbean Queen.
What's your most embarrassing moment?
My most embarrassing moment is I was drunk at a party and I did a dance rendition that Madonna does in front of her, and she was not impressed at all. One out-of-the-box product I wish that we could create it way would be a pill that makes it so you do not grow gray hair. Get on it, PD team. So if I could trade Mike Rosenthal in for any celebrity, it would be 2 of them, Will Arnett and Paul Rudd. Will Arnett because his voice is so amazing, and Paul Rudd because he's just so cute and like is not aging. It's crazy. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure that you like and subscribe, and leave any of your questions for the next Ask Jen in the comment section below. I gotta get back to work. We gotta work on this great hair pill, this magic hair pill of ours. We'll see you next time.